This is a Gumball machine, antique vintage, known as the Master. Patent date is August 14th, 1929. Serial number on this model is B22857. We'll take an up-close look at this Gumball machine. The color scheme is interesting. It has the light blue on the bottom and then kind of the stainless finish in the midsection and the black finish up top, the porcelain enamel finish. As you can see, finish is in good shape. Very few areas of any concern. There's a small piece there. Looks to be original. The glass is good. The lock is operated with a screwdriver. So we'll take a look at the interior of the machine and see it in working condition. The bottom lock has also been drilled out. The bottom porcelain, very fine shape, of course, for such an old machine. There are some marks. This machine was in use by the second owner for the last 45 years. Had M&Ms in it for the grandchildren. So you will need to clean the inside. It does have some marks of use and age. So we'll take off the top. As you can see, it's been hollowed out, so the mechanism is basically screws in and out. So as you can see, it's the pie-shaped carousel, and we'll go ahead and put a penny in without any clanking around. It does work. And we'll put in a few gumballs. Penny machine. Okay, nothing came that time because the carousel hadn't yet got a gumball in it. There should be one this time. There we go. Pink one. Probably a yellow one this time. Yellow. Okay, so that's in good working order. Still has the rubber feet on the bottom. Bottom is in great shape. Again, the key element is gone from this bottom piece. So you just use a screwdriver to open everything up. That allows you to access the change, as well as get into the compartment that unlocks. So these pieces are in good shape. There's the change. There's the working coin mechanism. Everything is original and in good shape. Thanks very much for looking. Bye.